Alrighty, righty.
It's good.
Again with this fool over here. Anyway, so kind of stopped filming yesterday after we started doing the coolant for the truck because we had a problem. For some reason, we still don't know exactly why. It was overheating. Like the the coolant was shooting up all the way up to the hood on top of the manifold. It was just a fucking shitstorm. Like all of this got fucking all like filled with with coolant. So I don't know if we have a problem with the probe, because this controller is probed into the into the radiator, but the radiator is so thin that the probe is actually sticking out quite a bit. Not like the one on my Mustang. That one, the probe is the majority of it in. Like this one is probably just the tip of the probe that's inside of the radiator, you know, vanes. So what I'm gonna do right now, this Davies Craig, if you unplug it, it has like a safety feature where the fans just stay on all the time. Actually, I'm gonna have to strap this somewhere else over here. So I'm gonna keep the fans on all the time, turn the truck back on, and try to see if I can burp it. We got the homie over here. We got the homie over here. I told you guys about this, and he's already getting the port job on the RB. What's the process, fool?
Blindfold yourself, fucking cut.
There you go.
There we go.
Said it. You guys heard it here first.
Oh shit.
Anyways, I'm gonna go and get the truck to warm up. Before I forget, we tested the pressure, because we were like, okay, the cooling system is getting too much pressure in it. Why? We're like, it can't be a fucking head gasket. Hopefully not. But we put that in and it's not. We verified that it's holding there. So we're gonna get that. Gonna get it out the way right now. Let's get it. Like maybe 82 something. I'll pretend I don't even notice the camera.
Oh, like this? That's gonna look good though, you know, right?
So right now I set my controller to a lower degree. So the fans are gonna kick on sooner now. Like there you go. They're actually at one. Look. Doing it. Turn it on at 78 degrees Celsius. Which might still be a little bit cold. Because I'm reading it over here with the that's 85, so, and this is off by like maybe 3 degrees. Actually, that's Fahrenheit. As far as Celsius go, I'm not sure. But that should be that right on point. And look, it's already. I should probably put it a little bit hotter. I'm gonna just test that out right now. Oh, okay, now it's getting hot. Oh shit. Come on. This thing. I just put the controller up to 70, I'm sorry, to 80 degrees. Seems like 80 degrees might be a little too hot. So I'm gonna put it back down on 78. This fool out here revving this motherfucker like nobody's business. Gas is almost up. So far so good. Everything looks good right now. We're about to run out of gas, so I guess we're just gonna keep going until the fucking gas is out, till the engine shuts on its own, and then we're just gonna go get some more gas and then do it again. But thankfully right now, as far as the coolant goes, the controller's doing its job, so it's doing way better. So at least now we know that it's getting cold, and I'm actually checking it, you know, double checking it with the laser, and I know it's, you know, I know that the engine is not overheating, so that's like shoot type of moment, because before I bought this laser temp reader, we had already done a couple runs on this shit, but since this guy was telling me that it was misfiring, we were, you know, looking to see what was up. I ended up taking off the cap, and I noticed that there was no water in it, so I was like, dude, what the fuck? But yeah, at that moment I was like, dude, I just remembered I never burped the line, so yeah, that's kind of why I did that right now. But anyways, we're about to be done with this first break-in. Gonna drain that the oil and get some more gas, so we'll be right back. Let's see what's on the mind of Javi. That's what happened for. I'm over it. Oh, he's mad. Alright, so the machine shop put this filter on here, and we can't get it off at all. We tried all types of tricks, nothing's working. We try to get a crescent wrench in there, nothing. We try to get a wrench in there, nothing. We try to ghetto rig this fucking belt to see if we can tighten it off. No, nothing's working. So yeah, we're brainstorming right now. I think we're gonna end up punching a hole with the screwdriver. So yeah, I think that's gonna be our only option right now. All right, so this is what we like to call a pasado de verga fucking tight. Like, even after I fucking smacked that screw in all the way through the fucking filter, like, I still had to give it a shit ton of force to spin it. Like, this was uncalled for fucking tight. Like, what the fuck was that for? Anyways, it's off now, so I'm gonna change the fucking oil. Oh, well, you guys caught me on my way to work. Jesus Christ. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me on this one. We got some stuff done. So I know I didn't really touch much up on the cooling system, but turns out that, well, we suspect that the reason why we were blowing fucking coolant everywhere was because the funnel was too small. We ended up, you know, setting, like I showed you guys, we ended up setting the fans to kick on earlier, so, you know, the engine won't get as hot. And I think that's what was, you know, causing, you know, the coolant system to pressurize or to expand the coolant quicker. So it worked out, and we didn't have any more issues. We did multiple runs afterwards like that, and it didn't overheat. Everything was running everything was running pretty smooth. As far as the oil thing, or the oil filter thing, yeah, that was uncalled for. Like, the fuck did they use a fucking impact gun to tighten up the oil filter? Like, what the I swear to God, I thought Javi was true, because he was under there first and he was trying to unscrew it, but he wasn't able to get it out barehanded. And then I came in barehanded, and then we try to, you know, use multiple tools like that strap. I actually had another tool which I don't use, so I don't even know what the name is, because I usually just go barehanded. But like the strap tool where you strap it, like the actual tool, not the thing that we made from the wrench and the ratchet strap. We couldn't get it out, and then we also tried to find a socket to fit it, but even if we could find a socket that fits the nut on the filter, we couldn't get it in there because of that crossbar. What else? So I'm hoping this is the end of this drama, because I really need to get this truck tuned ASAP. So hopefully tomorrow's video, I can get this out the way, so I can hit up my boy and he can come through and finish it up. Anyways, thank you guys for joining me again. Thank you guys for kicking it with me, I should say. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, do your thing. And I'll see you guys on the next one. I know I said tomorrow, today's tomorrow, but it's gonna be a little late. Anyways, deuces.